Okay. Big roll. Woohoo. This one is nice to keep jumping.
Oh, it's broken.
Broken. I'm in trouble. But it's okay. Okay, the egg become a ducky ducky. Okay, I'm a terrible joker. Okay, cleaning, housekeeping. Okay. So tomorrow is my second week, okay? So maybe tomorrow I'm getting good, okay? Because this is my first week of jogging. Okay, we will make now a omelet, okay, so we will use a tray.
I'm done with it.
And one more egg roll, and rolling again, rolling on my wheeler. 1, 2, 3, 4, rolling on my wheeler. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is magic. Japanese flower. Don't be shy, go. Okay, it's a hefty. Now we're inside. For both of you, okay? And yellow in the middle, the center. It's the sunflower. Thank you. Okay. Next is we will make now an omelette. So we will add more eggs. More eggs, more delicious and more yummy. Yes, sir. So total 8 eggs. Okay, 1 each. Only we have 7. Okay. We will have one more. Oh, one more there. This is Sunny.
Yeah.
Sunny Sada. Okay. We have no crunchy. No crunchy.